up, doggy?
What's going on?
Yo, I completely forgot the transmission was back there. Yo, this car is so freaking gross, dude. Oh, I gotta get out of here. It smells so bad. But what's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Oh, dude, I need to take a shower after being in this thing. As you guys remember, we picked up the untouched hatch right here. We got this from my buddy Mike, and this used to be Cam's from Haggard's car, and now it's here, and we're gonna make it something pretty cool. Hopefully, that's the goal. So this car has been sitting for like 4 years. It is so utterly disgusting, but everything's there, everything's in good condition, everything's straight, and that's really all you can ask for. The only thing this car really needs right now is just a really deep clean. This car is dirty in the soul. She stank. So as you guys can see, this has just years of just stank all over the car. So let's see how much of that will come off. We're also gonna see how much clear coat is gonna come off this car because it's peeling everywhere. So there's that. And then we're gonna address all of this stuff. I don't even know where to begin with this thing. There's just so much going on, so.
I'd say probably the leaf pile in the back there.
Right here, I'm dying for this. Ready, a little stank? Yeah! That is the greatest thing I have ever seen. The lens is soaked. Absolutely, come here. We're good. Dude, look at this.
So much grime.
I'm so pumped. This looks like a half-decent car.
Looking good.
All right, let's just bang out the rest. I say the best part for you, the engine bay.
Let's go. Where's the squirt bottle?
Oh, you want to squirt it first?
Squirt first, let it marinate, quick spray, respray.
Repeat.
Yeah, repeat.
So I'm curious to see how this is gonna go, because I mean this is at a whole new level of gross. We might have to scrub that stuff off, but I guess we'll see what comes off with just a good old rinse and spray.
Let's do it.
Alright, so our little degreaser just marinated for like 10 minutes. We didn't touch it at all, so let's see how much just comes off with the power washer. Alright, so after we power washed it, it actually looks pretty damn good. Like overall, you could tell it's so much cleaner, though we still have like the heavy spots like on the radio support, strut towers and everything. Overall, you could see the whole thing is like, it almost looks like it's 10 shades lighter, doesn't it?
Yep. Does look good, but it's gonna look a whole lot better.
Oh, you're bringing out...
Dude, the heavy hitter, the secret remedy. Let this marinate for a good 2-3 minutes. No, probably like 10 minutes. Should be looking real good.
So we just let it soak with Drew's special sauce. We did a little bit of scrubbing, and I think it's gonna clean up pretty damn well, so. So, just power washed it, and we let it dry. Dude, I don't think they're ready for it.
I don't think they are.
I don't think they're ready for it, dude. Okay, I knew this would clean up like pretty decent. You know, I was just like, oh, this is some dirt and grime, but I was not expecting it to clean up like this. Look how good this whole thing looks. It looks so good. I mean, look at it, even for how old it is, like there's like barely any oxidation. I mean, look at the big sea lines, dog. Strut tower is looking pretty. Like firewall nice and clean, rain tray nice and clean. Obviously it's got its scratches and whatever, but like overall, dude, look at the intake. Like, it's already wrinkled black, so you guys already know. I'm already happy about that. Like, seeing it this clean and like this stock, look at the radiator, dude. Like, I can't get over it. I just like seeing it this clean, this stock, like it makes me want to just like leave it like this, like factory airbox and all, because this car is beautiful. So the outside's still a little dirty, so we're gonna give it a nice soap down and wash the windows and everything, and bring it inside and get it ready to tackle the interior. So I just gave it the typical wash, wiped down with a sponge and some soap and some water, and it actually looks pretty decent. Now the exterior definitely isn't the nicest thing in the world. It does have its dents, it has its dings. Half the clear coat's missing on the car, and it's a pig nose, so it kind of looks like a Ford Probe when you look at it quickly, but I'm really happy with it. Really, like, my favorite part of cars is the engine bay, as you guys know, so seeing the engine bay clean up this dramatic is definitely what I'm more excited over, because this just looks so good. I mean, look at it. You can see the clear coat blasted off and it like made it this matte red, but it's actually kind of clean. Obviously, the next piece of the puzzle is to go through and get the interior sorted out, because the interior, though it might not look like super dirty, it smells so bad that I'm nervous that I won't be able to save half of it, because it really stinks that bad. I haven't decided the exact direction of this car. Like I said, I kind of picked this up just because the deal was there and I didn't want to see the car sit for a minute longer, so I just had to get it. Definitely wasn't looking for another 240, that's for sure. But I'm really feeling like we should clean this up, keep the engine bay how it is for now, maybe. Get the manual swap in there, throw the 5-volt conversion on there, throw some better coils on it, and then throw a nice set of wheels on it, and just have the car and enjoy it for now, because, I mean, it's just a cool piece, you know? So let me know what you guys think. I'm very curious to hear your opinion on this car and the direction you would like to see me go in. And yeah, still really impressed with that change. All right, so it's a little later and we got the S13 inside, looking good, ready to be torn apart interior wise to get it all cleaned up and put back together. But RJ just showed up, and RJ hasn't seen the car since, like, I guess yesterday, which when it looked like a pile of dog shit. And I'm excited to see his reaction of it being like completely transformed. Well, take a look at the outside. Not bad, right?
There's still so much potential left in this paint.
Yeah.
I should buff it before I leave.
No, I kind of blew all the clear coat off this side.
No, I can get most of it back.
Yeah, that's not how it works, but okay.
You know what? I got the fucking E36 back.
Well, that actually has clear coat on it still, so.
There's enough left on here.
Yeah, right.
Trust me. Woo! Wow, that cleaned up real good.
Right? I'm still
Holy shit.
Like seeing it inside, like having some real light on it.
This air box looks like it's worth what it cost OEM. Jesus.
Not even the same car.
Holy shit. Did you wrinkle black the valve cover? Or was it like that?
It was like that.
I don't remember.
I'm so happy it's like that.
Oh my god. I can't believe how clean
Love
it is.
it.
Oh my god. Like all the wires and stuff look brand new. Holy shit. That cleaned up real good.
Not bad, right?
No, that's amazing. I believe like just this, like even the spark plug wires alone, all the vacuum hoses, everything looks like it was just put on.
Pretty neat.
Dude, I want to buff the rest of it.
There's
The Miata was worse than this paint when I first got it.
Miata single stage. It's a whole different type of paint.
I can get it.
Where's Brian? He's gotta talk some sense into it.
No, Brian can't talk to me.
He's gonna call you an idiot.
Well, what else is new?
We got some work to do still.
Like what?
Go-
It's a mint.
Go
stock
open the
240.
door and take a big whiff.
Did you use my shampooer thing?
Dude, we didn't touch it yet. Just get in there deep. Oh, ew! Ew! I hope you shower right after this.
It doesn't smell like anything.
What?
I can't smell anything.
It's so. Take it. Just stick your face in the seat.
Smell the butts.
There's a lot of farts in that one.
It doesn't smell like anything.
You're disgusting.
It doesn't smell like anything. I don't know what to tell you.
All right. Well, on today's episode of Jimmy Oak's Garage, you realize that RJ is a fucking psychopath. So gross.
Hold on. Are you just realizing this?
I guess with that haircut, it kind of says it all. Well, I can only freak out enough about how big of a transformation the engine bay was in this car, and I mean the whole car in general. So I'm really excited to get the interior done, get the 5-lug on it, get some wheels on it, get it 5-speed swapped, and I don't know what else after that. So, but we're gonna end it for today. Today was awesome. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.